Dear students, good morning. Already we had studied about sex determination in human being. Now we are going to study about the Y chromosome and male development. Current analysis of Y chromosome has revealed numerous genes and regions with a potential genetic function. Some genes with or without homologous counterpart are seen in the X present at both ends of Y chromosome are the pseudo-autosomal region that are similar with the regions on the X chromosome, which is synapse, and recombine during meiosis. The remaining 95% of the Y chromosome is referred to as the non-combining regions of the Y, NRY. The NRY is divided equally into functional genes, euchromatin, and non-functional gene, heterochromatin. Within the euchromatin region, in a gene called sex determining region Y, SRY. In human, absence of Y chromosome inevitably leads to female development, and the SRY gene is absent in X chromosome. The gene produced of SRY in the testis determining factor TDF present in the adult male testis. Dosage compensation Barr body. In 1949, Barr and Buttram first observed a condensed body in the nerve cell of female and which was absent in the male. The condensed body was called sex chromatin by them and was later referred to as Barr body. In the XY chromosomal system of sex determination, males have only one X chromosome while in female have two. A question arises, how does the organism compensate for these dosage differences between the sexes? In mammals, the necessary dosage is accomplished by the interaction of one of the X chromosome in female so that both male and female have only one functional X chromosome per cell. Mary Leon suggested that Barr body represented an inactive chromosome which in female became tightly coded into heterochromatin and condensed and visible form of chromatin. Haplodiploidy in human honeybee, haplodiploidy in honeybee. In insects such as honeybee, ants, and wasps, a mechanism of sex determination is called haplodiploidy. In this case, the fertilized egg develop into queen and workers. Unfertilized egg develop into the male by parthenogenesis. In this method, male have diploid number of chromosome, while the male have haploid number of chromosome, female have diploid number of chromosome. The mode of determination facilitate the evolution of sociality in which only one diploid female become the queen and lays egg for the colony. All the other females which are diploid having developed from fertilized egg help to raise the queen's egg and so contribute to the queen's reproductive success and indirectly to their own phenomena known as kin selection. The queen construct their social environment by releasing a hormone that suppresses fertility of the workers. Sex-linked inheritance. The inheritance of a trait that is determined by a gene located on one of the sex chromosomes is called sex-linked inheritance. Genes present in the differentiated region of X or Y chromosome are called sex-linked genes. The genes present in the differentiated region X chromosome are called X-linked genes. The X-linked genes have no corresponding alleles in the Y chromosome. The gene present in the differentiated region of Y chromosome are called Y-linked or cholendric gene. The Y-linked genes have no corresponding allele in X chromosome. The Y-linked gene inherit along with the Y chromosome and they phenotypically express only in the male sex. Sex-linked inheritance traits are more common in males than female because male are heterozygous and therefore expresses the trait when then inherit one mutant allele. The X-linked and Y-linked genes in the differentiated region do not undergo pairing or crossing over during meiosis. The inheritance of X or Y-linked gene called sex-linked inheritance. Inheritance of X-linked genes, red-green color blindness, hemophilia, muscular dystrophy are examples of X-linked gene inheritance in human being. Number 1, hemophilia. It is commonly known as bleeder's disease. It is more common in men than women. This hereditary disease was first reported by John Carr in 1803. It is caused by a recessive X-linked gene. This person lacked blood clotting substance thromboplastin in blood. Hence, minor injury cause continuous bleeding leading to death. The female are the carriers of this disease and would transmit this disease to 50% of their son, even if the male present is normal. That is, male parent is normal. Then, color blindness. In human being, the dominant X gene linked gene in human being, the dominant X-linked gene is necessary for the formation of color-sensitive cell, the cones. The recessive form of the gene is incapable of producing color-sensitive cone cells. Homozygous recessive female and heterozygous recessive males are unable to distinguish red and green color. The inheritance of color blindness can be studied in the following 2 types of marriages. First one, marriage between colorblind man and normal visioned woman. A marriage between a colorblind man and a normal visioned woman will produce normal visioned male and female individual in F1 generation. But F1 generation, both male and female will be normal. But the female are carriers. The marriage between F1 normal visioned carrier woman and a normal visioned male will produce one normal visioned female, one carrier female, one normal visioned male, and one colorblind male. Colorblind trait is inherited from the male parent to his grandson through carrier daughter, which is the criss-cross pattern of inheritance. See the figure. Then the next one, marriage between normal visioned man and colorblind woman. If a colorblind woman marries a normal visioned male or man, all F1 sons will be colorblind and daughters will be normal visioned but are carriers. Marriage between F1 carrier female with a colorblind male will produce normal visioned carrier daughter, colorblind daughter, normal visioned son, and a colorblind son in the F2 generation. See the figure. Inheritance of Y-linked genes. Genes in the non-homologous region of the Y chromosome are inherited directly from male to male. In human, the Y-linked polymeric gene for hypertrichosis in hairs and pinna, that is excessive development in hairs and pinna of the ear, are transmitted directly from father to son, because male inherited the Y chromosome from the father, female inherits only X chromosome from the father and are not affected. Thank you.